Hi there. So, don't look at my hand. So, let me just say that I'm not going to post any videos. You probably don't even care, but so, and it's because I'll just break it to you. I broke my finger, so I'm not going to be posting videos. I'm not, I'll post this one and then I'll just, I don't know. So, I'm going to let this heal for 6 to 8 weeks, they said. I was doing a foot jam and I just kind of broke it. I leaned forward too far. It hurts. I also split my knee a little bit, but, And then I just noticed that my screen's messed up. Okay, but yeah. So I have a broken hand, little finger, my ring finger. Yeah. So goodbye, YouTube.